when I was growing, and I was around 14 or 15 years old, and I had like a major growth spurt in a short period of time. And with that, because of the impact that I was going through with diving, I developed Osgood-Schlatter's disease in my knees. And it was a tough one because like it didn't stop me training. It just restricted what I could do. So, I'd be sat on poolside watching my friends train when I had to get out early to ice my knee, and I'd be in pain at school. I'd be in pain just sitting in the car because like having my knee just not moving made it really stiff. And that was tough because I just could never quite feel at my best. And that was the time when I was trying to get into like British programs, British teams. I was trying to show that I was good. And it was really tough because I just felt jealous of my friends, but I was able to kind of turn that jealousy into like a fuel for the fire and really push me forward. So I was able to find, a positive twist in that respect.